DDD, stock analysis price predictions news. In this 1-minute video, I will show you exactly how I would trade and analyze. You know, I'm the only guy in this space that's done 47,000 videos over 5 years. No one else has come even close. It's taken me 5 years, yes, and I've spent tens of thousands on courses and mentors over that time period. But because I have all the data, I've actually seen what's making me money and what's not. I mean, I called it out the next day we kept down, so you're welcome. And with DDD, I would just definitely jump in on the bandwagon, you know, to hopefully look to take things up. It's not in a way that I'm randomly going to buy or anything, but it's a solid bullish market. And I definitely will feel like I missed out on, like, if I'm not here ready to pull the trigger, if it actually is calling me, right? So if there is a confirmation and a double break, of course I'm going to look to buy, and all I'm simply doing in the meantime is waiting for rules. So if you want to stay tuned, want to get free money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description. We'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.